Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up the Thrustmaster T98 Ferrari racing wheel with your PlayStation 5. Before connecting anything to the console, start by assembling the wheel. Secure the steering wheel to a desk or racing stand so it stays firmly in place while you're playing. Next, plug the pedal cable into the port on the wheel base and position the pedals comfortably on the floor. Once everything is connected, take the USB cable from the steering wheel and plug it directly into one of the USB ports on your PS5. For the best connection, avoid using USB hubs, extension cables, or adapters. After a few moments, the console should recognize the device. Now press the PS5 button on the steering wheel. Your PlayStation may ask you to select a user account before continuing. After signing in, check the indicator light on the wheel to confirm which operator mode is active. In most cases, you'll want the LED to be blue, as this is the standard mode used by the majority of PS5 racing games. When the wheel is in blue mode, it's detected as a Thrustmaster T80. There's also a red mode, which is useful for certain titles, including the PS5 version of Forza Horizon 5, where the wheel is identified differently. If you ever need to switch between these modes, completely close any running game first, then press and hold the mode button for about 5 seconds until the LED starts flashing. Use the directional pad to choose either blue or red mode. Release the button to save the selection and reconnect the wheel if required. Unless a specific game recommends otherwise, leaving the wheel in blue mode is usually the best choice. After the setup is complete, launch a racing game that supports steering wheels. Games such as Gran Turismo, Assetto Corsa, and other compatible racing titles should work without any issues, provided they're installed directly on your PS5. Keep in mind that cloud-streamed games generally don't support racing wheel peripherals. Finally, you can experiment with the available driving profiles, whether you prefer the beginner preset, the intermediate option, or the simulation focused profile. Try each one to see which delivers the handling and steering response you like most. That's all there is to it setting up Thrustmaster T98 Ferrari on the PS5. Thanks for watching and enjoy your racing experience. I'll see you in the next video.